Hi, I'm Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today I'm going to be preparing fish nuggets and this is going to go with our tomato and mozzarella pasta salad. So basically our setup for this, we've got a couple of egg whites, a little bit of milk, some breadcrumbs, some garlic powder, and we've also got our tilapia that we have already thawed out. So I'm going to take our tilapia fillets and just cut these down into nugget-sized pieces. So you just really want to do some bite-sized cubes. Okay, do the same thing to the other half. I just start by cutting them down the middle and then breaking them down farther. We got one more to do. And one more. Alright, so we've got our fish cut up, and take our bowl over here. We're going to mix in our egg white and our milk. I'm going to take a fork and beat this up just lightly. Scoot that aside, and we'll take our breadcrumbs. A little bit of our garlic seasoning. Kind of toss that together a little bit. I'll tell you what, you can even take a little bit just to make sure that that flavor carries through and put it in your liquid. Give that a swirl. And put our fish pieces in the liquid. Toss those around real quick. And then we can begin to bread these. Now we have our oven preheated to 375 degrees and we're going to bake these off until they're nice and golden and brown. When you toss them in, I always try to keep one hand dry because this can end up being a very messy situation. So I'm going to be really careful there. Make sure it gets coated on all sides with your breadcrumbs. We're using panko breadcrumbs because they're a little bit lighter, fluffier, and they give a nice crunchier texture than, say, your standard breadcrumbs that you'll find in the grocery store. And these should be able to be found in any supermarket today. If they're not with the regular breadcrumbs, they might be in your ethnic cuisine aisle. Alright, now we've got these breaded, so we're going to put these on a baking sheet. We're going to make sure that that is lined with either some aluminum foil or we've sprayed it with some non-stick cooking spray to ensure that our nuggets do not stick. So we'll show you the finished product in just a minute.